At 3 on All Things Considered, we'll hear about what's next for Congress. Host Kevin McCarthy and writer Curtis Chin shares lessons from being a Chinese restaurant kid and a few dishes. That news and appetites starting at 3 here on NPR News.
Support for On Point comes from the listeners of WBUR Boston, from the Music Emporium, guitar sellers for more than 50 years, celebrating the enduring presence of music made on the front porch and center stage. You can learn more at themusicemporium.com. And The Trace and WBUR, presenting The Gun Machine, a new podcast.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Technology